Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting tutorial for you all. We'll be learning how to create a pop-up with just HTML, and that's not all. At the end, we add a cool feature to the pop-up, so make sure to watch to the end. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand what the dialog element is all about. In HTML, the dialog element represents a dialog box or a modal window. It's a part of the HTML5 specification and provides a built-in way to create simple pop-up dialogues without relying on external libraries. Now let's dive into the code and create our pop-up dialog. We'll begin with the basic HTML structure. As you can see, it's just a button and a dialog element with a form element inside it. The form element must have the method set to dialog, unless this won't work. The image tags just contain some assets that you will see in a second. Lastly, the button has an onClick function show modal. That's all for the HTML. Our pop-up is working now, but it looks quite plain. Let's give it some style to make it visually appealing. Here I am using CSS for the styling with custom variables. Here is the styling for the body and button element. Now we style the dialog, and that is the result. Feel free to style it however you want. And that's it, the pop-up is done. Remember the cool feature I mentioned? Here comes the fun part. Well, work with JavaScript for this part. I will be using the advice slip API to get random advice. We get the DOM elements first, then let's create a function to get the piece of advice. The if statement just checks if the previous piece of advice is the same as the new piece of advice and changes it. Don't forget to call the function and link the JavaScript to your HTML if you are using an external file. And there you have it, folks. We've successfully created a pop-up dialog using just HTML and even linked it to an advice API. Now your pop-up will display some fantastic advice every time it opens. Isn't that cool? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and happy coding!